Hi, this is Dr. Benfinio here with Pete the Cat and Cookie Monster, and in this quick video I will show you how to pin someone in Google Meet. This is a useful feature if you would like to keep your video focused on one speaker in a meeting or online class. To pin somebody in Google Meet, the process is very simple. You simply move your mouse over the person you would like to pin and click the little thumbtack icon. This is different from Zoom if you are used to that, where you would first need to right-click the person and then select Pin. This little window with the buttons pops up automatically whenever you move your mouse over somebody's thumbnail, including yourself, and then you just need to left-click the thumbtack icon once to pin the person. When you do so, assuming Google Meet is in auto view, which it should be by default unless you have changed it, you can see that by going down here to more options and selecting change layout. I am in the auto view. You pin somebody, it will make them larger over here on the left, while making smaller thumbnails of the other people over here on the right. If you would like to focus on this person exclusively by making their video even larger, you can go down here to the three-dot menu for more options, select Change Layout, and then select Spotlight. That is going to make them even bigger and remove the thumbnails of the other person, or other people. If you don't want to see yourself either, you can also go here to Minimize yourself, and then you just have a single large video of a single pinned person. If you would like to pin somebody else without messing around with all of those different layout controls, you can go over here to the Show Everyone button, and then you have the option to pin somebody else either by clicking the little thumbtack icon, or the three dots for more actions, and then the Pin to Screen button, which will select somebody else. And Pete the Cat seems to be having some camera issues for some reason, so let's switch back to pinning Cookie Monster. One other quick difference: if you are used to Zoom, you cannot multi-pin. That is a feature that would be useful, for example, if you're teaching a class and students are giving a group presentation, so you would like to pin a couple of them. As of right now, you cannot do that in Google Meet. If you pin, it just overrides the previous pin. You cannot pin two or more people at once, at least as far as I know. If I am wrong about that, or if you're watching this video at some point in the future and Google has released an update, please leave a comment below and I will make sure to make an updated video. Thank you.